The strategy of using visual cues and labeling may help a child with the task of unloading the dishwasher and putting items away in the correct location. Labeling pictures are supportive visuals that organize the environment. The visuals can be pictures, photos, words, or a combination of these. In the case of the dishwasher, the label assists the child to see where to put the glasses, the dishes, and the silverware. This is an example of using visual cues and labeling to promote independence in emptying the dishwasher. Labeling pictures within an environment promotes independence and positive behavior. Try visual cues and labeling with your child or students.